Okay, so good evening to all of my followers, and I uploaded this video regarding the diagnosis of this asherman syndrome, but few members they are asking that how can we diagnose this asherman syndrome. So explanation is that look at this band, look at this band. It is hyperechoic. Now look at this fluid over here and look at this fluid over here. This fluid is anechoic, this fluid is hyperechoic or isoechoic. It's not a matter about the texture, what I call it, hyperechoic or hypoechoic, but there is difference in the texture of this fluid and this fluid. Okay, so if this is a fluid inside the endometrial cavity, why so much difference here, here and here? This is so much anechoic, this is so much hyperechoic. So what does it suggest? That there is a obstruction over here, and due to this chronic obstruction, this fluid has been liquefied and it has become liquefied. Yes, the more the fluid becomes liquefied, it becomes anechoic. The more the fluid is fresh, it is hyperechoic, as we see in the hemorrhagic fluid, hemorrhagic cyst. Okay, fresh hemorrhagic cyst is like this texture inside the fluid. Inside the fluid inside the hemorrhagic cyst is like this, hyperechoic. Slowly, gradually, when it liquefies, it's get fibrotic band and it gives the reticulate type appearance. And when it fully get liquefied, it becomes like this. So why this is anechoic, why this is hyperechoic, is the reason that there is a band which is obstructing this portion of the endometrial cavity fluid. This band is obstructing the fluid from here. Okay, so this fluid is not able to pass from here to here due to this band. So this fluid gets liquefied, it becomes anechoic, everything becomes resolution, and it finally becomes anechoic. One of the member commented that we see this kind of fluid very frequently. This is not a frequent finding. Okay, if it is frequent, you just send me in the WhatsApp video how frequently you are seeing, because I had observed in my 12 years of practice this kind of picture is not a frequent finding. It's not a frequent finding. Why it's not a frequent finding? Because you will never observe this anechoic and hyperechoic texture and in between this band over here. Okay, and if this whole thing is the same fluid, then why there is a band over here? This band is so straight. Can you imagine? Can you appreciate that this band is so straight from here to here? It's hyperechoic. This band texture is similar to the serosa of this surface of the uterus, uterine serosa. Here, serosa. Okay, so it's a fibrotic band. Serosa is equal to fibrotic band. So this is not something we call it a fluid. We cannot call this band as a fluid. This is not a fluid, it's a band. Okay, and due to this band, this fluid is getting obstructed. Chronic obstruction, it leads to liquefaction of the fluid inside here, and it gives the anechoic texture. This is the hyperechoic texture. Why? because from this bed is not obstructing this collection. So this fluid is expelled out, and in the next menstrual cycle again the fluid comes here, expelled out. If you this is chronic retention of the fluid, okay, and here this is the fibrotic bed. And I hope I had tried to explain you to the best of my knowledge. And actually I'm having very less time to explain all my videos and findings, but from 15th August I will be available full time regarding the explanation of the videos which I am uploading. But till then I really appreciate your patience. Thank you for observing this video. Yeah, thank you very much.